Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. The door gasket seals the door and prevents water from leaking out during a wash cycle. Over time, the gasket can wear down and might not seal properly. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the door gasket. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. The door gasket sits within a small groove on the outside of the frame. To get started, you might need a flat blade screwdriver and a utility knife. You'll be able to lift the gasket out of the groove. This can also be a good time to clean the inside surface. Take the new gasket and align the top two corners. Now push the rest of the top into place. Press the gasket into the groove down to the bottom. On either side, there should be a small piece that sticks out. This helps seal the bottom of the door. If there's a large piece sticking out, then it's a sign that the gasket is too taut. Try reinstalling it. If there's still a lot of overhang, then it can be trimmed with a knife. Now double check that both sides are even. Now it's best to test the dishwasher to see if it's working properly. You can start a cycle even without any dishes or detergent. If this works, then cancel the cycle and run a full load of dishes. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.